This is video from Jonesboro today after large hail moved through the area.
Homeowners dealing with broken windows, torn up sidings, damaged roofs, and snapped trees.
The wind shear that came through with the storm makes it look like somebody drove by with machine guns.
Facing thousands of dollars worth of repairs.
Welcome to Operation Damage Control. As a company, we've learned the best advertising tactics are real-life stories and the people they involve. This brings me to a very special project we want to share with you today. Follow along to see how we turned a bad situation into an opportunity to serve our community, advertise our superior products, and create some very happy homeowners. On March 26 of 2021, the quaint town of Jonesboro, Tennessee endured strong storms of heavy rain, wind, and unprecedented hail. One neighborhood of homes, mostly constructed with vinyl siding, appeared to take the brunt of the damage. As the clouds lifted and residents began to survey the damage, they were alarmed to see holes covering entire walls of their homes. This massive hailstorm left sensitive materials such as wood sheathing and framing exposed to the elements, and homeowners wondering what to do next. Enter Jeremy and Kristen Davis, residents of the very first home when entering the neighborhood. When images began to populate social media, our company took notice of this family's damage, and a collective idea was born. For decades now, a war has been raging between clay brick and alternative cladding materials, which includes vinyl siding. Our job is to create marketing materials that inspire people to choose brick. While we've experienced success with our efforts, it was clear the storm incident provided a unique opportunity to share brick's message of safety, sustainability, and beauty in a way like never before. Upon learning of the storm and the damage to the Davis home, members of General Shale senior management, engineering, marketing, and sales departments began planning the project. Before Operation Damage Control could become a reality, it would require a detailed assessment of the Davis home to determine the project's viability. Engineering determined a few structural adjustments would be required to successfully reclad the home, including adding house wrap for maximum protection and thermal efficiency, adding sheathing at corners to establish adequate shear bracing, shimming out of square corners, and installing a wall cap to existing retaining wall for better water permeance and durability. Operation Damage Control provided a unique opportunity to invest in social environmental responsibility, but it also provided an avenue to create product awareness of a new brick series called Urban Brick Designs. General Shale's Sin Masonry development team has been working for more than a year to create a thin brick portfolio at our Watsontown plant. Known for its wood mold style products and a penchant for quality, a thin brick line at Watsontown would mean establishing new business channels in highly competitive markets and introducing thin brick solutions to a broader audience. The Davis family would be shown 6 options for the Urban Brick Designs collection. Upon deciding, Operation Damage Control officially leads the market introduction to Urban Brick Designs. The Davis neighborhood consists of over 30 hail-damaged vinyl homes. This, combined with the home resting just off a busy roadway, created a prime location for brand, product, and campaign exposure. Marketing developed a 3-fold promotion strategy to communicate Operation Damage Control to passerbys, as well as our digital audience of website visitors and social media followers. This includes 3 field signs strategically placed at the Davis home, each communicating the campaign's title, and a call to action to generate leads from neighboring residents and potential online customers. The primary goal of Operation Damage Control was to expand traditional marketing resources into social environmental responsibility efforts. At project completion, the Davis family would have a safe, durable, and sustainable brick home. Secondly, we wanted to communicate thin brick cladding as a practical solution for exterior cladding renovations and be able to measure the effectiveness of our strategy. To do that, our team developed a digital conversion funnel where interest would primarily be directed through the Operation Damage Control webpage, serving as the primary gauge for consumer interest. This page would be promoted and accessible through a variety of mediums, including on-site promotion and signage, a direct link on the company's website homepage, a direct link on product-related web pages, customer email distribution, and social media advertising. There are several other key takeaways from Operation Damage Control campaign that point to high consumer interest that we believe will lead to additional conversions as we continue to promote thin brick solutions. For example, in just 3 months, we saw over 1,000 organic page views to the dedicated web page. Not to mention, users spent an average page duration of 2 minutes learning about Operation Damage Control. For perspective, the national average for time spent viewing a web page across all industries is just 62 seconds. But most importantly, our campaign has influenced 3 neighboring homeowners to repair their hail-damaged vinyl homes with brick. As a result, Operation Damage Control has proven to be a successful project and experiment for General Shale. First and foremost, we were able to provide young homeowners with a beautiful brick home that's durable, safe, and sustainable. Second, we created an important message for our present-day conversations about environmental stewardship. Lastly, we were able to position thin brick in a way that's never been done before by documenting it as an ideal and practical solution for exterior innovations without sacrificing any of the beauty or quality of natural clay brick. As we move toward 100 years of providing natural masonry solutions for the building industry, look for more stories like this one where we can inform, educate, and lead the industry for generations to come.